Hey guys, it's Alex. Buenas tardes, soy Alex. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to do my brows with our new Big Ego Sketch and Set brow pencil and tinted gel right here. This is $24 on tarte.com and it's perfect for the on-the-go student, the college student, the mom. Like literally you have your brow pencil on one side and then you have a tinted gel on the other side. You're getting a double whammy right here and you can do your brows in less than a minute. So keep on watching to do brows. Let's get right into this. I have my entire face done. Brows are not done. You can definitely see how important brows are to frame the face. So we're gonna go in with the pencil side. Just take the top off, add some product. I like to kind of brush my brow out before, and then I just underline from the top and then make my way to the end of the brow. I also have a missing piece right here. I was like 12 and I got my eyebrows waxed for the first time and well, it wasn't the best experience, so we're gonna cover up that mistake. You can see where I underlined my brow, so now I'm just gonna add feather-like strokes to make it look hair-like. Now I'm gonna go in with a tinted brow gel right here, because I have to set my brows with this. So just grabbing that, and then I'm gonna literally just flick of the wrist, go up and down. And just like that, the brow is done. So now I'm gonna use our tinted brow gel on this side. So this side I use the brow pencil, this side I'm gonna use the tinted brow gel. So you guys can see what it looks like with the brow gel or with the pencil, with both. You guys can decide which one you like better. So here we have the pencil and then the gel, and then here we have the gel only. I want you guys to see the types of different brows you can create easily at home. So this is more of like a natural tamed brow. This is more of that fluffy, bushy brow. Still looks natural, but I mean both are super wearable, great. Done easily with our new Big Ego Sketch and Set brow pencil and tinted gel. So it's a win in my books. And it's $24, so it's literally like $12, $12. That's how I always see things. So double win. Here we have it. Our brows are done in less than minutes. They are filled in and then they are also gelled. Let me just remind you that this is waterproof and smudge proof, will not flake off. Go swimming. Literally your brows will stay on the entire day. So until next time, hasta la próxima vez. Ciao tartelettes.